If you're looking for a high-end smartphone that can compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is worth your consideration. You can be certain that the quality of the images you capture with the S23 Ultra's camera, especially those shot at night, will be exceptional. Also, there is a function that will assist you to achieve a stable shot even if you have shaky hands. Today's video offers a tour of some of the official features of the S23 Ultra, so let's dive right in. Better multimedia. Love to create content? When you consider how much better the Galaxy S23 Ultra is at capturing and playing back sounds, you'll be thrilled.
Impressive.
Sound quality is enhanced thanks to the upgraded speakers. It ought to improve the stock multimedia experience without the need for headphones or Bluetooth speakers. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also has a top-notch microphone setup. Users using programs like Samsung Voice Recorder or the built-in interview recording capability might find this update useful. Also, recordings captured with the onboard cameras should benefit from the enhanced aural environment. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, all things considered, is the superior handset for multimedia enthusiasts and producers who desire superior video and audio recording capabilities. There's more on camera aspect, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe so you get all the latest reviews on new releases.
What are you gonna do?
I've already subscribed.
Ultra stabilization. Clearer photographs can be achieved by a combination of hardware and software in the new Ultra Stabilization feature of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, for example, if your hand shakes while you are shooting a photo, Ultra Stabilization will lessen the little movements you produce.
Cool. That's cool.
Alternatively, the rumored Galaxy S23 Ultra image stabilization may be a response to the action mode on the iPhone 14. Or Samsung's new Galaxy S23 Ultra Stabilization setting could be an improved version of the company's super steady video recording mode. Another feature Samsung will provide is a technique to extend battery life. Keep an eye out for further information on this. Nightography.
With AI object-aware engine that recognizes details like skin, eyebrows, hair.
According to Ice Universe, it can be confirmed that S23 Ultra's night photos are very strong and much better than S22 Ultras. I think it's the biggest improvement of Samsung's flagship mobile phone in 5 years.
Very true.
The S23 Ultra's upcoming 200-megapixel sensor will likely use pixel binning. That should ensure a rise in the popularity of low-light photography. To that end, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is the phone's processor, facilitates this realization. The S22 Ultra's fantastic night photography capabilities have us hoping for similar ones on the S23 Ultra. Specifically, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra's night solution improves the quality of pictures taken in portrait mode with a 3x optical zoom and in selfie mode, and technologies like optical image stabilization and digital image stabilization in the S22 Ultra allow for steadier video even in dim conditions. Light mode. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra S5G will get a light performance mode. Customers can choose this alternative to reduce power use and maximize battery life. When the light mode is activated, performance drops somewhat, but battery consumption drops dramatically. In addition, this mode is different from the standard energy-saving mode, because game's performance profiles are still maintained by their gain booster settings. Switching to light mode won't degrade their overall performance. Remember that the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 performs well. Thus, the performance gain from the new chipset could make up for the slowness brought on the light mode. So there you have it, and we cannot wait for it to be released. But really, which of these features are you most anticipating? And do you think it will be hard to upgrade for the S22 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.